Samsung intends to introduce the Galaxy M33 to the market. Samsung Galaxy M33 is the name of the upcoming device, which will be a mid-range phone. The Exynos 1200 processor will power the next smartphone. This smartphone has an octa-core processor will deliver impressive results to the user. The upcoming smartphone will be powered by Android 12, which is the most recent version of operating system. The display screen size of the incoming new Samsung Galaxy M33 is 6.5 inches large, with a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen panel. The display's resolution will be 1080 by 2400 pixels, which is the highest resolution in this class. The Mali G68 GPU is included in this smartphone. This model has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This forthcoming Samsung Galaxy M33 has a quad camera system on the backside. The phone's main sensor will be 64 megapixels with an f1.8 aperture and a 26 mm wide field of view, as well as 12 megapixels with an f2.2 ultrawide field of view, 5 megapixels with f2.4 macro, and 5 megapixels with f2.4 depth sensor. The phone's selfie camera will be a 32-megapixel f2.2 26 mm wide camera. The Samsung Galaxy M33 sports an optical fingerprint scanner built into the display for security data protection. The Galaxy M33 has a large 6000 mAh battery that will last you all day and supports 25-watt fast charging. This smartphone also has 5G, dual SIM, 120Hz display, HDR10+, micro SDXC, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C 2.0, USB on the go, NFC, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope as well as other features. What do you think about this phone? Let's comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.